आझादी का अमृत महोत्सवाच्या निमतान आकाश बायजूस हांणी गरजेवंत कुटुंबातल्या 7वी आणि 8वीच्या सुमार 2000 विद्यार्थ्यांक फुकट नीट आणि जीई प्रशिक्षण आणि शिष्यवृत्ती दिल्या। विद्यार्थिनींचो शिक्षणात चड प्रमाणात आस्पाव आणि सशक्तीकरण करपा खातीर तांणी ही मोहीम घडोवन हाडल्या।
So NEET stands for Akash National Talent Hunt Examination, which we used to conduct every year since 2010. This is our 13th edition. So there are many benefits if a student appear in this NEET. They can get a scholarship up to 100%. For the top rankers, top 100 rankers, we have cash awards. This NEET as happens at all India level, and lakhs of students appeared. So the student can check and can get exposure towards pan-India level examination. So, and most important, from like last year, so 5 of lucky winners will get an all-expense paid trip towards NASA. So the duration of examination is 1 hour, a total of 35 questions being asked, and there is no negative marking. The examination of the online examination date is from 5th to 13th November, and offline examination will be held on 6th of November and 13th of November at nearest of your Akash center. So this is a golden opportunity for all of our students.